The options for flowers for your wedding are numerous. There are so many to choose from, but there are a few flowers that allow you to make a big impact with less. And in this video, I will share one of those flowers. Hi, I'm Michelle, your Chief Concierge for Luxury Wedding Planning in New York and owner of Renee Michelle Events. I created this channel to help brides and grooms navigate their wedding planning process stress-free. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking. Now be sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. So when you're looking at all the flowers there are available to have in your wedding to express the vision you want for your wedding, sometimes you want to do more with less. And one such flower that will allow you to do just that is the hydrangea. Big, full blooms, less is more. I've mentioned this in one of my previous videos, but in this video, I'm going to demonstrate more, actually how you put an arrangement together and how you have that arrangement last. So keep watching, and I hope that from this video, you'll get a new appreciation and of course, inspiration for using the hydrangea in your wedding tablescape. Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to use the hydrangea in an arrangement you may be making for your tablescape at home, for your home wedding, or something that you want to create to share with your wedding planner and or wedding designer. So here I'm holding 3 hydrangeas. I placed them in a vase with about 1/4 inch of water. I've taken a hydrangea, 3 of them, and grouped them together. You want to make sure when you're grouping the hydrangeas together, you are grouping them as close to the head as possible. And I cut the hydrangea so that it would sit in the vase comfortably and not move around, keeping the look full and lush. Now you may present the hydrangea or your arrangement just by itself with nothing else, just the vase and the flowers, which is very elegant. Or you may decide that you want to add a burst of color to your arrangement. And in this setup, I'm using the calla lily, in this case, a burgundy calla lily. So using the burgundy calla lily adds, like I mentioned, a burst of color. And you would make sure that you cut the calla lily the same length as the hydrangea. This way, they are both flowers are receiving water at the same rate. Another thing that you will want to make sure that you're doing is to make sure that each flower is positioned equal distance so that the eye is drawn to one focal point. You keep arranging as I'm doing here until it meets what you're looking to accomplish. Now, to elevate the look, as I'm doing here, you may decide to use a charger. In this case, I'm using the silver charger to bring out the white, and in this instance, the burgundy calla lily. Position the vase on the charger, center it as much as possible, or center it perfectly if you're able to get it that way, and you step back and look. So you may decide that 3 stems of your accent flower is not enough. And you may decide to add a 4th like I'm doing here. So I place a 4th calla lily stem in the arrangement, and I tweak it and look at it and see if it's positioned correctly for my taste. You would do the same, make sure it's positioned according to what the final look you want, facing all of the points facing in, or have them facing out so that they are facing your guests. Having the points of the calla lily facing out kind of draws your eye into the arrangement, into the floor arrangement. And so here you have the final look But ultimately, the goal of this video was to show you how to use the hydrangea in an arrangement to get that lush look that you see, that you've seen in the magazines or seen at other events that you want to create for yourself. Add in an accent flower. In this case, it was a burgundy calla lily, whatever color scheme you have for your wedding, and adding that charger that elevates the look to another level. Whatever you decide to do, whatever type of arrangement you decide to make, remember the hydrangea is an option. It is a full flower head that allows you to make an impact with less stems. Have any questions? I'm here to answer them for you. Now, after watching this video, I'm confident that you have a new understanding and a new appreciation for the hydrangea. Consider it for your tablescape, for your table decor in your wedding reception. Now, before you click off, be sure that you have subscribed by clicking the subscribe button and that you clicked the notification bell, because you want to be sure that you are always alerted when I post new videos. If you didn't get a chance to watch last week's video, click the frame popping up on the right. It will provide you with more inspiration for your wedding reception table decor. See you soon.